Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Gobo Salad, a healthy and tasty side dish you want to add to your meals sometimes. These are the ingredients. Gobo is burdock root, a long brown root vegetable full of fibers. It is a traditional Japanese vegetable and eaten as regular food for 1,000 years. For more information and complete recipe, please visit our website, japanesecooking101.com. In a large bowl, mix soy sauce, sugar, and rice vinegar. Set aside. Scrape off the outer surface of the gobo a little bit and slice thinly diagonally. Then cut into thin matchsticks and immediately soak them in water. Meanwhile, we cut the carrot the same way. Slice thinly and cut into matchsticks. Now we are going to boil the gobo and carrot. Gobo goes in first because it takes a little bit longer to cook. After a couple of minutes, add the carrot. And cook for another minute, but don't overcook. Remove from the heat and strain. Then we add the vegetables to the sauce while it's still hot and mix well. Cool completely. Then add mayonnaise and sesame seeds and mix. This can be kept in a fridge for about a week or so. Sprinkle with some more sesame seeds or shichimi hot pepper if you like. Gobo salad is a great side dish you will always come back to. It is perfect to put in a lunchbox with sandwich or rice balls. We hope you enjoy it.
美味しい。
美味しいね。